Hi friends, I'm Sophie. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're joining us for the first time, I'm truly glad you're here. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss our thoughtful fashion stories. Today's collection is inspired by one simple idea: comfort that lasts all day. Because the best outfit doesn't just look good, it feels right from the very first layer. That's why we've created pieces that breathe, move, and adapt with you. Soft cotton that stays fresh, smooth blends that hug gently, and light fabrics that let your skin relax. Every design reflects quiet confidence, calm colors, balanced shapes, and thoughtful details that let you feel free in every moment. Whether it's work, travel, or a quiet evening at home, your clothes should move with your rhythm, not against it. Remember, true comfort begins from within. When your first layer fits softly and supports you naturally, everything you wear above it feels better, looks better, and lasts longer. If this collection feels like your kind of comfort, like this video, share it with someone who values effortless dressing, and subscribe for more mindful fashion made with care. Stay easy, stay confident, because comfort is the truest form of style.